Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video I'll be showing you where your car horn fuse is located for your 1997 Honda Prelude or the same model or whatever year, but just make sure it looks like this, obviously. So first of all, your fuse box is located under your bonnet, so you want to go and pop your bonnet, pop your hood, whatever you call it, where you are. Up underneath here, just want to pop this off, and then you'll see there's a 15 amp and it says stop horn. Okay guys, so to locate this one, I'm going to go ahead and show you really quickly. It's just over here, right there guys. Okay, that is your horn fuse right there. Okay, so yeah, go ahead, check that and replace it if applicable. Secondary thing I would do is just go ahead to the front of your car. You'll see over here, this is a horn guys. Okay, you've got one here and you've got one here, so you've got two horns. You want to go ahead and just check, make sure these connectors over here are connected. Okay, you've got one connector just up underneath there. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but just follow the cable guys that goes to the horn. You've got one connector there and then you've got one here as well. Go ahead, double check your connectors, make sure that they're connected, because you know it does happen that wires could get caught, they could fall out. It does happen. And thirdly, make sure that you even have horns. Okay, because believe it or not, some people, you know, they buy cars and they've had the horns taken out, and yeah, they're wondering, why is my horn not working? So yeah, those are the three things that I would do to make sure that your horn is working. One more bonus thing I would do is check your steering wheel guys. So you want to pop this off, pop your airbag off, because all your horn is behind. It's basically has connectors which just touch, and that's what makes the horn work. So you want to go ahead and take this off and just check behind and make sure that all those connectors are fine. Make sure that there's nothing broken behind there, and hopefully that will fix your issue regarding your horn. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Like and subscribe. Peace.